Uploading videos to Instagram Reels is simple, but there are time limits to keep in mind. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Open the Instagram app, log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Select a video for Reels, tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Select Reel from the options. Choose the video you want to upload from your gallery. Step 3. Instagram Reels allows videos up to 90 seconds long. If your video is longer than 90 seconds, you'll need to trim it. Tap the trim icon to adjust the video length. Drag the edges to cut the video down to 90 seconds or less. Step 4. Tap Next in the top right corner. Add a caption, tags, and location as needed. Step 5. Tap Share at the bottom right. Your reel will be uploaded successfully. If you want to post a longer video, consider splitting it into multiple reels or uploading it as an IGTV video or a regular post instead. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.